don't have to live in a city with endless fireworks happening throughout the night with no care in the world. And this must stop. So tonight the message is to the mayor that if we can't sleep, he won't sleep. Thank you all for coming out tonight. Thank you all for coming out tonight. So just
you opened the parks.
Just a few weeks ago, the mayor came out saying that he hears fireworks and he's not sure where it's coming from. Is it coming from Queens or is it coming from Manhattan?
Well, tell him.
Now, if you are the mayor of the city of New York, you should know if those fireworks are coming from Queens or if they're coming from Manhattan. We cannot live in chaos. We cannot live each and every night from nighttime to early morning hearing and shooting fireworks. Just yesterday in Harlem, where you saw a homeless man being shot at with fireworks. During these trying times where people are trying to get their lives back together, all we hear is fireworks, shooting at people out in the streets, shooting at children, shooting at people walking in and out, walking into the stores. People are just afraid to walk out of their home. This is New York City.
That's right.
This is supposed to be the safest city in the nation. This is not the safest city in the nation anymore. We need leadership. And let me tell you all one thing. If we cannot sleep, we will not let the mayor sleep. We will not let the mayor sleep. We need leadership. Everyone together. We need leadership. We need leadership. We need leadership.
Chaim! Come on!
In a city where we rely on the NYPD, the men and women who protect us each and every day, they are afraid to do their jobs because our mayor, our elected officials are showing rhetoric across the city and not allowing for the men and women of the NYPD to do their jobs. We need them to do their jobs. We need calm here in New York City. We got to put an end to this. We got to put an end to all the chaos that is happening all across the city. Take a look around. We have here hundreds of people at 1 o'clock in the morning here in front of Gracie Mansion. We're sending a message to the mayor that if you're not going to stand up and fight for those who are out there working each and every day, for those who are law-abiding citizens, for those who are hurtful by these fireworks that are happening each and every night. Imagine individuals who have PTSD, those who have pets, the seniors, families. Enough is enough. Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Well, what brings you guys out here tonight?
Oh, here we go. Long-time resident of Crown Heights, 50 years.
Yes.
The fireworks has been going on for the last 2 to 3 weeks nightly. Our children are jumping. My mother's 94 years young. She's jumping. The whole community. We've been reaching out to the NYPD to do something about it. They haven't done anything about it. Now we're here to tell the mayor and show signs that if we don't sleep, you don't sleep.
If we don't sleep, you don't sleep. We don't sleep, you don't sleep. We don't sleep, you don't sleep.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. We thank you for your service and God protect you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. We appreciate you guys. Thank you. We love you, NYPD. We love you, NYPD.
I want you to know, Mr. Mayor, we are here. We weren't scared of you then. We're not scared of you now. You're not going to protect us. We'll protect ourselves, but you're not scared of this mayor. And anybody thinks this is your house, Mr. Mayor, it's not your house much longer, baby. You're out of here. Okay? Heshy Tischler is coming for you, boys. And I'm here with my guys. And Mr. Mayor, wake up, baby. Heshy's here.
No sleep, no peace.
We don't sleep.
You don't sleep. You don't sleep. You don't sleep.
We are doing good for your fellow man. And I want my fellow man to know we're not going to be pushed around. We're not going to be bullied, no matter what race you are, no matter what color you are, especially what religion you are. We're here to fight, and we're going to fight Mr. Mayor one-on-one. We're right here. We're not scared of you, Mr. Mayor. I love you.
But it's my neighborhood, they're peaceful, they're not hurting anybody, so I don't give a shit.
But my son lives in Brooklyn.
We don't sleep. You don't sleep. We don't sleep. You don't sleep.
Just want to say, everybody wants to live in the community and be safe.
Absolutely. Yes.
Everybody wants to be in the community.
Good luck.
Make sure that children can walk.
Whoa.
The air conditioner caught on fire. We don't want to have our homes in danger, our children and family in danger. So we're asking the mayor to curb the fireworks, to make sure we can
Happy 4th.
So I just want to say, Mayor de Blasio, if we don't sleep, if we don't sleep, if we don't sleep, if we don't sleep, so we want to make sure we tell the mayor, we give him a message. I'm sure right now he's not sleeping, and he's wondering what the heck is going on out there, right? It's a bad dream. It's a bad dream, that's right. It's a bad dream. But enough is enough.
Yes.
Enough
Is enough.
Enough is enough.
And we're not going to sleep, like they say. He's not going to sleep.
Uh-oh, what's it got? Whoa. He almost got run over.
You understand? For us, they're bringing helmeted police.
The mayor's been pretty aloof about addressing some of these public issues, and he needs to get involved and put a stop to stuff that's like disturbing the citizenry.